Simula nang gumawa ako ng videos about the cost of living sa iba't ibang bansa, madami na ang nagre-request sa akin na gumawa pa ng iba. Nalalaman kasi nila if worth it ba na tanggapin ng opportunity na inoffer sa kanila abroad at hindi sila mapapahamak. Ang sunod na bansang tatalakayin natin ay New Zealand. Based on Go Organization Philippines, a single person's monthly cost there without rent is around 57,107 pesos or around 1,759 New Zealand dollars. A one-bedroom apartment costs around 51,816 pesos to 63,046 pesos or 1,587 New Zealand dollars to 1,931 New Zealand dollars, depende sa location. Monthly transpo pass is around 6,076 pesos or around 185 New Zealand dollars. Sa utilities naman, around 7,832 pesos or 239 New Zealand dollars. Phone plan with calls and 10 GB data is around 1,990 pesos. Internet is around 2,932 pesos or around 89 New Zealand dollars. Total of 127,753 to 138,983 pesos or 3,914 to 4,258 New Zealand dollars. Depende sa benefits na ibibigay sa inyo ng sponsor or employer nyo. Consider the offer if around these rates naman. Huge precaution lang sa new rules ng New Zealand immigration ngayon. Since may recession doon, have an immigration expert from there like ePathways. Check your case out before you go. Para kahit ano mangyari, magsara man yung kumpanya nyo or mangailangan kayo ng tulong doon, may malalapitan kayo agad-agad. The cost of living in New Zealand is 101.5% higher than ours. But if nag-work naman ang risk nyo, New Zealand also offers great residency benefits like free education for your children and superb healthcare. Bet mo ba mag-risk sa New Zealand? Or lalaban ka pa rin ba dito sa Pilipinas? Good luck, kabayan!